Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Low miles. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 SLK class. You might say it all started on the finish line. We won't be telling those still at the start line. Choose the Mercedes SLK class and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.